Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best featherweight wheelchair is probably one of the most user-friendly mobility solutions available today. Designed with portability in mind, these wheelchairs are incredibly lightweight, making them easy to lift, transport, and maneuver. Whether you're navigating busy streets, traveling on public transport, or simply moving around your home, the featherweight wheelchair offers a seamless and convenient experience, ensuring you maintain your independence and freedom of movement with ease. Number 5. Medline Lightweight Wheelchair with Elevating Leg Rests. This wheelchair is designed for ultimate comfort. It features a height-adjustable seat, allowing the user to customize it to their needs. The chair is lightweight and can support up to 300 pounds. This wheelchair is built to last. Its durable frame ensures stability and reliability, whether indoors or outdoors. It is designed to handle various terrains with ease. The wheelchair is incredibly user-friendly. It includes swing-back, desk-length arms for easy transfers and access. The elevating leg rests provide added comfort and support. The wheelchair is made with high-quality materials. It features breathable nylon upholstery that is soft and easy to clean. This ensures both comfort and hygiene for the user. The assembled dimensions are 30-inch L x 25.5 27.5 W x 38H. When folded, it measures 30-inch L x 10.5 W x 38H. This makes it easy to store and transport. What we like. This wheelchair offers a height-adjustable seat, ensuring a comfortable fit for various users. Its sturdy and durable frame provides stability on different terrains. If you need a reliable and adaptable wheelchair for both indoor and outdoor use, this one is a great choice. What people say. Transporting my 89-year-old husband to his various medical appointments, shopping and dining out, relaxation and outside activities, are simplified and easier to manage with this sturdy lightweight chair. Excellent quality and workmanship provides a secure and safe assurance with its use. It's fairly lightweight and easy to fold up and put in a car. It is lightweight enough that I can lift it in and out of the car by myself. Number 4. Drive Medical Rebel Lightweight Wheelchair, Red. This ultralight folding wheelchair makes mobility easy. Whether used independently or with assistance, the sleek design provides superior maneuverability in narrow indoor layouts. This portable wheelchair features cushioned armrests and swing-away footrests for customized support. It also has tool-free removable front casters and a folding chair and backrest for easy transportation. The durable steel frame provides reliable stability and supports up to 300 pounds. The 19-inch easy-to-clean padded nylon seat is designed to provide lasting comfort. Quick-release rear wheels and an easy-to-fold frame allow for easy storage or transport. This makes it convenient for travel and everyday use. The back is 17 inches in height, and the seat is 19.5 inches in height. Overall width is 25.5 inches when open and 10.5 inches when closed. It has a weight capacity of 300 pounds. What we like. This model is designed for easy mobility, with a lightweight and foldable frame. It features customizable comfort options like cushioned armrests and swing-away footrests. If you are looking for a wheelchair that is easy to transport and store, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. It rolls very easily and the front wheels pivot well. With features such as removable wheels at the touch of a button, fold-down rear handles makes this chair a breeze to transport. Increased weight capacity without extra bulk means a lighter chair that can be folded-unfolded by one person. Removable armrests, leg rests, and lowering back handles make storage, transportation, and transfer a hassle-free process. The wheelchair practically glides as it rolls over most surfaces with little effort. Tight turning radius is a bonus for small spaces. Very solid, it can take some abuse without worrying about damaging components or the frame. Number 3. Magnesium Lightweight Wheelchair with Travel Bag. This wheelchair is made from a super strong, ultra-lightweight magnesium alloy frame. It features a quick-release hinge for easy folding, storage, and transport. Due to its lightweight design, it's perfect for travel and can be easily checked on a plane. The chair includes padded armrests and swing-away leg rests for enhanced comfort. The larger rear wheels provide better performance on uneven outdoor surfaces. Top hand brakes make it easier to control the speed, whether self-propelled or with assistance. No tools are needed for assembly. Simply attach the footrests and back safety rollers. The quick-release wheels and removable footrests make transporting the chair in any size vehicle quick and painless. It is very easy to set up. The seat width is 17.5 inches, with a weight capacity of 220 pounds. Before ordering, make sure it fits through your home doors and hallways. Overall, it weighs only 21 pounds. It has rear and hand brakes to ensure the rider's safety and make the assistant's job easier. The anti-tippers also enhance the safety of the user. What we like. This chair is made from an ultra-lightweight magnesium alloy, making it ideal for travel. It requires no tools for assembly, making it incredibly convenient. If you like to travel and need a lightweight, easy-to-use wheelchair, this is the one for you. What people say. Lightweight at 25.1 pounds, according to my doctor's in-floor scale, sturdy construction, easy to fold and lowers into the rear seat of the car, nice comfortable seat. The dual-action handles keep the office nurses guessing at times though, squeeze to brake, push down to act as a parking brake without having to lock the wheels individually. Truly lightweight, my husband, the pusher, is so relieved with how it handles from his perspective, he says it even pushes easier on carpet. Number 2. Feather Mobility Grey Lightweight Folding Wheelchair. Introducing the Feather Mobility Wheelchair. It's incredibly lightweight, weighing only 13.5 pounds without the wheels. This makes it the world's lightest wheelchair, perfect for easy transport. This wheelchair folds up compactly, fitting easily into any car. Its design provides users with an easily accessible mobility solution on the go, making travel simple. The Feather chair is built for durability with cutting-edge materials. Its ergonomic design ensures supreme user comfort, and caregivers will find it easy to handle. Assembly is quick and easy, taking less than a minute to unfold and attach the wheels. Its compact size allows for easy access through narrow doorways. The wheelchair includes front-wheel locks for user accessibility. It also has an integrated braking system and optional quick-release wheels for caregivers. Built from high-quality materials, this chair upholds reliability and performance. With over 20 years of experience, it's designed to help you stay active and spend more time with loved ones. What we like. This is the world's lightest wheelchair, making it incredibly easy to handle and transport. Its ergonomic design ensures supreme user comfort. If you are looking for the ultimate in lightweight mobility, you should consider this one. What people say. It is so incredibly light, far less than half the weight of my other chairs, that I can use the wheelchair to get to my car, fold it up, pop the wheels off, put it in the passenger seat or even in the back seat and drive away. Folds easily, rolls smoothly, one simple push of a button to remove the wheels, unbelievably light, and I could not possibly ask for a better wheelchair. It is very lightweight as advertised, compact, and easy to maneuver. Number 1. Karman K2512 Ultra Light Ergonomic Wheelchair. Introducing the Karman K2512, an ultra-lightweight wheelchair designed for ultimate comfort and portability. It weighs only 19 pounds, making it easy to maneuver and transport. The frame itself is incredibly light, weighing just 14.5 pounds. This innovative design ensures that it's easy to lift and store, providing convenience for users and caregivers alike. This wheelchair features an ergonomic design, promoting proper posture and reducing strain. The 18-inch seat in pearl silver offers a stylish and comfortable experience. It comes equipped with companion brakes and push-to-lock brakes, ensuring safety and stability. The wheelchair also has a weight capacity of 220 pounds. The wheelchair features 20-inch rear wheels and 6-inch front casters that are flat-free, providing a smooth and worry-free ride. This ensures that it's always ready for your next adventure. The Karman K2512 includes removable footrests, adding to the convenience and ease of use. It's designed to make your life easier. What we like. This wheelchair is ultra-lightweight, making it easy to maneuver and transport. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during use. If you are looking for a lightweight and comfortable wheelchair with added safety features, then this is a great choice. What people say. Featherweight wheelchair is incredibly lightweight. It is easy to lift and maneuver. The design is sleek and modern. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.